Yes, hello students. Okay, previous video I told you up to question number 12. Now I am going to teach you question number 13 of exercise 7.1. So question number 13 is I equal to integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1. So first of all we have to do the factor of this. So now you can see in these two terms and these two terms, which one is common? X square. So first of all we are going to take a x square as a common. It should be x minus 1 plus 1 as a x minus 1 upon x minus 1 dx. Okay, so it should be x minus 1 as a common. So now it is remain x square plus 1 upon x minus 1 dx. Both will cancel. Both will cancel. So integration of x square plus 1 dx. So the integration of x square, that is x cube upon 3. I told you the formula x to y, and that is n x to y n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and the integration of 1 is x. Why? Because derivative of x is 1. So integration of 1 is x plus c. It is your answer. Question number 13. Now the question number 14. Question number 14 is integration I equal to, let I equal to 1 minus x root x dx. Okay. So first of all we have to multiply in a bracket. So root x minus x की power x root x dx. Can we write root x as a x की power 1 by 2 minus, this is the power of 1, this is the power of half. Okay, so x to power 1 plus half dx. It should be x की power 1 by 2 minus x की power 3 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 or 1 3, 3 by 2. The integration of x की power 1 by 2, x की power 3 by 2, and upon 3 by 2 will there, upon in denominator it should be upon 3 by 2 will go upside, convert 2 by 3 minus x की power 2 3 by 2 plus 1. It means कि we are adding both of them the number. Okay, 2 plus 3, that is 5 upon 2. It should be 2 upon 5 plus c. Why? Because when we are using x की power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1, it should be x की power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. But it will go upside, then it will be convert 2 by 5 x की power 5 by 2. Okay, that's why I have written here 2 by 5 x की power 5 by 2. So this question is 14. Next question is question number 15. Question number 15 is we are multiplying root x, and we are writing 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. First of all we have to multiply in a bracket root x as a it should be 3 x की power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 x की power 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 x की power 1 by 2 dx. Okay, we can write as a root x as a x की power 1 by 2. That's why we are multiplying in a bracket, and the power will be added by, because the bases are same. Okay, base are same, then power will be added. Now 3 x की power 2 2 ja 4 over 1 5 by 2 plus 2 x की power 2 1 ja 2 over 1 3 by 2 plus 3 x की power 1 by 2. Is that clear? Now 3, the integration of 5 by 2 x की power 7 by 2. Why? Because x की power 1 5 by 2 plus 1 2. I told you the simple method 2 plus 5, that is 7 by 2, and 7 by 2 will down, will go upside. It should be 2 by 7 in a multiply, plus 2 x की power 5 by 2. It should be 2 by 5 plus 3 x की power 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 plus c. 3 3 cancel. So 3 to just 6, 6 by 7 x की power 7 by 2 plus 4 by 5 x की power 5 by 2 plus 2 x की power 3 by 2 plus c. This is your answer. These are very easy question. When you will get understand, then these are very easy, and you have to solve again and again. Okay, when this exercise will solve one or two times, it will be easy for you to solve. Now the next question is question number 16. I equal to 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to power x dx. Okay. Now the next question is 2, the integration of x is, can we write like this when we are separated, like this, cos x dx plus e to power x dx. The integration of 2 x is x square upon 2 minus 3 integration of cos x is sin x plus e to power x plus c. This is your 16. Now the 17th question is 2 integration of 2 x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x dx. Okay. We are going to integrate this one. So 2 integration of 2x square dx minus 3 integration of sin x dx plus 5 integration of root x dx. Now the integration of x square is x cube upon 3 minus 3 integration of sin x is minus cos x or plus 5 x की power half 1 by 2. It should be x की power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 plus c. So 2x cube upon 3 plus 3 cos x and 5 to the 10 upon 3 x की power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, this is your next answer, question number 17. So now I am going to teach you question number 18. Question number 18 is I equal to sec x bracket sec x plus tan x dx. Okay. First of all, we have to multiply in the bracket, then integrate it. Sec square x plus sec x tan x. Okay. You know the derivative of tan x is sec square x. The integration of sec square x is tan x. And the derivative of sec x tan x. Okay. The integration of the derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. The antiderivative of this one is sec x. So sec x plus c. Question number 19. I equal to sec square x upon cosec square x dx. So we can't integrate direct. Okay. So first of all we have to break it. So sec square x is 1 upon cos square x and cosec square x is 1 upon sin square x dx. We will multiply down to our up. It should be sin square x upon cos square x. Okay. Now it should be I equal to tan square x. We don't know the integration of tan square x. Okay. So we know the identity 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. So the value of tan square x is sec square x minus 1. Okay, and we know the integration of tan x is sec square x. So the integration of sec square x is tan x and the integration of 1 is x plus c. Okay. So this is your question number 19. Okay, note down. Question number 20. I equal to minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. First of all, we have to separate both of the term. So 2 upon cos square x minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. So can we multiply 2 upon cos x multiply 1 upon cos x? Can we write minus 3 sin x upon cos x into 1 upon cos x dx. Okay, we are going to break cos square x as a cos x into cos x. So it should be 2. There is no need to write 1 upon cos x. Why? Because 1 upon cos square x is sec square x, and we can write as 3 tan x sec x dx. Right? Now the integration of 2 sec square x is tan x, and minus 3 the integration of tan x sec x is sec x plus c. This is your answer number 20. So question number 21, I equal to integration of root x plus 1 upon root x dx. Okay, see this, can we write x to the power 1 by 2 plus x to the power minus half. So the integration of this one is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Same thing is here, x to the power 3 by 2, 2 by 3 plus x to the power minus half plus 1, minus half plus 1, that is half, and it should be 2 plus c. This is your answer number 21. Right? Now the last question of this exercise. Question number 22. I equal to d upon dx. If question it is given, if d upon dx function x equal to 4x cube minus 3x upon x to the power 4 such that f2 equal to 0, then fx. Okay, he is asking the value of fx. So now I am going to dy dx will go there, it will be converted into a integration sign, 4x cube minus 3 upon x to the power 4 dx. Now we are going to integrate this term, 4x to the power 4 upon 4 minus 3 x to the power 4 will go upside. Okay, so can we do like this? Leave it here. First of all, you have to write down 4x cube minus 3x to the power minus 4 dx. Now it should be 4x to the power 4 upon 4 minus 3x to the power minus 3 upon minus 3. Why? Because x to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, so minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 upon minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 plus c. 3 3 cancel, 4 4. So x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power cube plus c. It should be 3 power cube f of x. Okay, f of x we got it. Now it is given the value of f2 equal to 0. It means what we are doing, we are putting the value of x as a 2. So put the value of x equal to 2. So f of 2 is 2 to the power 4 plus 1 upon 2 to the power 3 plus c. The value of f2 is, f of 2 is 0. So f of 2 is 0. Now it should be 0 and 2 to the power 4, that is 16 plus 1 upon 8 plus c. Now the value of, we are going to find the value of c. So 16 plus 1 upon 8 plus c. So minus c equal to 16 is 128 or 129 upon 8. The value of c is equal to minus 129 upon 8. So what we are doing, when it is given f of 2 is equal to 0, so it means we are getting the value of c. and we are taking this value of equation number 1. We are putting the value of c in this one. What is the integral constant? So from equation first, f of x equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x cube or minus 129 upon 8. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, I hope you understand this thing. Okay, next video I am going to make exercise 7.2. Okay, thank you very much.